Bow. Oh, okay. Wait. Dynamic.
What did he say?
Demonic. Sorry. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out 르세라핌 X ILLIT X KATSEYE. God dang. Iconic by mistake. Now, I saw the trailer of this. The production of the music video already looks crazy. Kind of reminds me of like, I don't know if you guys remember the movie Sin City, like The Watchmen, if you guys know what I'm talking about, like that type of vibe, that type of style of like filming. And I already got my interest just based on like how the music video has been shot. But also, not every day you have like 3 girl groups collaborating all together in one MV, which should be interesting. And I feel like a lot more other companies should do that. Maybe not all the time, but you know, like a good little surprise or something like that. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Dre Day. It's my gaming channel. I've been also playing games and talking about K-pop on Twitch at twitch.tv/DreGaming. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Join the Discord if you haven't already. Link in the description. Go click those links. And yeah, without further ado, let's check this out. Do we need captions? We got captions. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Who's we in a damn. Off the bat, hating me is hating me is like all you do. Breakfast to dinner is crazy. All right, let's go. Yeah.
Daddy, chill.
Whoa. Oh wait, they eating though, like with the music video itself, how the high production, the vibe of the song, they get lit to it. Yeah, okay, Chewa. Hey, swerve. Oh. Are we good? Are we good? Are we? Oh, flies. They just looking down on me like. Hard-hearted. Bro, I already know people gonna be mad at this. you know, people just be mad just to be mad sometimes. But them in a graveyard? Is that what they're at? They got too iconic by mistake with a pigeon. That is pretty iconic though. Harder. Ooh, hit me with that. Oh. Okay. I'm iconic by mistake. I love that. Oh, okay, go to. Bedazzled type of like, oh, ow. The dentist is not just me, but a lot of people's like not favorite place. But take care of your teeth, y'all. Ow. Well, not with a cannon. They gonna take a picture of your mouth? Not with the nosebleed. Iconic. Okay, we got KATSEYE coming up. My bad. I've been pausing like crazy, but there's so much happening. There's 3 groups you have to pay attention to. How do you do? Dinner. Bulletproof. Breaking your finger. Oh, yo, hey. Did you say thank you or fuck you? And this is a cop. It would be an op.
Got him. We fucking got him.
She said fuck you. Not thank you. Them subtitling. I mean, it's on purpose. Oh, the word God. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Oh my God, this feels like a. Why does it feel like another TV show I watched, The Boys kind of thing? And then she has a halo, and then the God part of godliness knocks her ass out. Oh, it disappears. Bow. Oh, okay. Wait. Demonic.
What did he say?
Demonic. Sorry. Hey, me. Iconic. Let's go, Laura. Oh. Oh. Sophia, so iconic. Oh, popcorn.
Sup, baby?
Hey, nobody wants to see anybody's digital footprint. Hey,
Take me out the.
take out your phone. Let me see your digital footprint. What it looking like?
Daddy, chill.
Oh, you want to see mine? No, you don't. Let me put mine away. All you do. Oh, in fire and everything. Oh, yo, hey. I'm iconic by mistake. Ooh. Oh, they're all bonding on a campfire around them. They are the campfire. That's it? Alright, fine. Dang, shout out to all the people that worked on this too. There's a lot of people in this production. The girls were killing that shit, bro. Like, obviously they did a great job of showcasing each girl group appropriate amount of time too. And they have other like features here and there. The way it begins too, I like it. I like it a lot. Police sirens. It's like a knife being stabbed. Does it sound like? Shing. Everybody got a nosebleed too. All you do, breakfast to dinner. Breaking your finger. It was like facials are so funny. Crazy. Car crash. Drive safely, y'all. The look down is crazy. And then starting off on a tombstone. Barely changed. Harder. It's all in English too, right? Yeah. I think my favorite part is the pre-chorus to chorus. God damn. Okay. That transition is fire too, like visually too. I'm talking about more visually, just from like her getting pushed down to the grave, going like 6 feet under or something like that, straight to like ILLIT. Hey. Dinner. I think my favorite part of this is not only because like the three groups are collaborating and it's a pretty dope MV. I like the editing of it as well. Is the transition, like the beginning. Hating me is it all you do? I love that. I'm iconic by mistake. Good smile though. Duty taking the beating. What? Oh. What's up with her eye? Oh. Would you let ILLIT take out a tooth for you? I don't think I will. Oh, you know, I don't know why I didn't notice that in the first time. The whole, like, you know, taking gas in and it gets a little bit loopy. Damn. Ow. How you do? Straight to like KATSEYE, and they all sound like their group in different sections. Like ILLIT's section sounds like an ILLIT song. 르세라핌 sounds like a 르세라핌 song, and then straight to KATSEYE, it sounds like a. I mean, it's their voices, so obviously it should sound, but just like the whole vibe changes too. So was it because of their voice too? I feel. Ugh. I'm iconic by mistake. I love Megan. Damn. Not with a Diet Coke. Grateful. The tooth to the freaking is it like plug, right? Electric plug port. Oh! Oh no! It's like act like chaotic but serve. Okay. So insane. So that corn made everything blow up. Oh wait, no, it wasn't. It was like a lightning bolt. Dinner. I'm iconic by mistake. The whole like guitar campfire chilling together, it's cute. It's a cute moment, I'm not gonna lie, but it's just like the whole thing, like everything's red, everything's on fire, everybody's eating marshmallows. Ooh, the choreo's fire. And then the ops, they always ruin it. They always ruin it, a good time. All right, y'all, put a comment down below what you guys think of 르세라핌, ILLIT, KATSEYE, iconic by mistake. Yeah, I'm very curious about your thoughts. What y'all think? Do you think it was pretty well balanced? I thought it was pretty well balanced. I felt like each group had their moment. I like the style of music video. I like how it looks, the color correction. It's super saturated. It's dark. The editing's cool too. I'm a fan of that. Now the song without the music video, I'm not too sure yet. I'm probably gonna check it out on my own time, like, you know, just download it and just listen to it without the music video. Cause sometimes it is a difference. I feel sometimes it do be different when the song is separated from the music video. But the chorus itself is pretty. It's hook. It's a hook. It's definitely earworm. So I'm definitely gonna be saying I'm iconic by mistake, like, or like, what is it? Hating me is like, wait. Like hating me is like all you do, like to dinner, some bulletproof fingers. Oh, yo, hey. I mean, it's like a little jab to the haters too, and it's a bop. It's a bop. It's definitely gonna be played everywhere. But yeah, that's my thoughts on it. Again, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Again, subscribe to Dre Day. It's the gaming channel. Be sure to check out my Twitch at twitch.tv/DreGaming. We playing games over there, talking about K-pop, anime, everything. We just basically having a good time. Join the Discord if you haven't already. It's a good community down there. And yeah, Patreon. Be sure to follow the Patreon if I do post things. Like if this video gets blocked, I'll probably post it on Patreon. Or if I do first listens over there too. But yeah, all right, y'all. See you guys to the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.